Today, I will be talking you through some of the features that you can access inside ICANN and Slack. It is important to understand that Slack has many features, and at times it may seem like a lot is going on, but this video aims to help make it digestible for you. The ICANN community lives and breathes on Slack. This allows for information and resources to be in one secure setting that can be moderated and maintain privacy. To access Slack, there are multiple ways to do so. The preferred way is via desktop, using either the web browser or the application version. Additionally, you can also access Slack via mobile devices by most major app stores. To see all the download options, please visit the Slack website and you can scroll down to see all of the supported ways that you can access it. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Slack browser version. Now within Slack, you'll spend most of your times within what are called channels, as seen over here. They serve as conversation chat rooms that are tailored for certain topics. When you first join ICANN, you will be in a channel that describes the rules and overall purpose of ICANN. Other channels exist to talk about an array of topics ranging from resources all the way to general chat, where you can hear information and help from other providers. When you click on a new channel, it will load the information to this new specific topic. And once you go to a new one, it'll auto-populate with that channel's information. Within channels, members can start conversations on a wide range of topics. When one member replies to a comment, it starts what we call a thread. This thread allows you to click and see all of the responses and contributions in a swift and organized way. In order to comment and start a thread, simply go to a message and click Reply to Thread. You can also respond with various emojis, such as a check mark, a praise, or any of the following reactions. One great feature that you can do is what we call subscribing to a thread. In order to do this, simply click the More Actions button and click Get Notified about new replies. This will allow you to get notifications when this thread has new messages. This also allows you to be up to date in certain topics that you want to know more about and have personalized notifications that are tailored for your needs. One of the great tools that Slack has is the search feature. This helps you quickly find information in both specific channels and all throughout the server. To access this, go to the top of your screen and click the search bar. From here, you can either type in broad keywords or we can find specific mentions of the word. For instance, if we look up this, we get a broad thing where we can see in every channel where this was mentioned. Additionally, we can also select filters to put it within certain channels. We can also select who we want this message to have been from, the date at which this was sent, or if there was any reactions on it. This will allow you to swiftly and easily find information that you might need. Now, regardless of what you choose to access Slack by, it is important to make sure that you enable notifications to make sure that you are always connected. To set up notifications, for this version, we will look at the desktop settings. We will click the ICANN logo here and go to Preferences. From here, we can choose all of our notification preferences that we want. For instance, you can be notified about all messages, or you can have it to only when it's direct messages and when you have certain keywords or you're mentioned in the text. To set up keywords, we just go here and enter anything that we want to be notified about. You can also choose notification schedules. This will change what you want to be notified and when you want to be. For instance, we want to be notified every day from these time constraints. You can also change the notifications when you're on your mobile device if you have that option enabled. Additionally, we want to make sure that we check this checkbox right here that says send me email notifications for mentions and direct messages. From this, you can either choose once every 15 minutes or once every hour to help make sure that you're never lost from any of the messages.